Welcome friend with our new question. So today we are having a very nice and interesting question that is on the expensive and the annual income. So we are having the question that is, let's look on the question that annual income of A and B is in the ratio 5:4 and their annual expenses bear a ratio 4:3. If each of them save rupees 500 at the end of the year, then find their annual income. So here we are here to find the annual income of both. So let's begin with our answer. So let's solve the question. But before solving the question, the things you have to understand, that is, to find the annual income of two persons, we are having the formula for the first person. Let's suppose the first person is A. So for A, for the first person, that we are having the formula to find out their annual income, that is A as S is the saving, D minus C upon AD minus BC. So this is a formula to find out the annual income of the first person. And for B, for the second person, and for the second person we are having the formula that is B upon S, D minus C, AD minus BC. So here to find out the income of the other person. So if we come to solve out the question, we will understand it in a very simple way. So let's begin. So we have, let's start solution of the question, that is, so we have, let's start, we have A ratio B is equal to 5:4. So this is the annual income, and we are having C ratio D, that is 4:3, and this is the expenditures. So this is the expenditure of both the person A and the person B. So to find out the annual income of A, therefore annual income of A, that is, we are having the formula for the annual income of A, that is A S. So here we are also having S is equal to 500. So this is the saving. So for the income, A is equal to, we take this formula, that is D minus C upon AD minus BC. So we put the values of A, B, C and D in the formula. So we get, that is 5. A is equal to what? A is 5. 5 multiplied by its saving, that is 500, upon D we are having, that is 3 minus 4. 4 is C upon A 5 multiplied by 3 minus 4 multiplied by 4. So hope you are understanding the question. So if we solve it further, it becomes 2500 and 3 minus 4, that is minus 1, upon 15 minus 16. So 5 multiplied by 3 is 15 and 4 multiplied by 4, that is 16. So here we get minus 2500 upon minus 1. So minus minus here cancel. We get its annual income 2500. So if you find this method difficult, we are having its shortcut method as well. So to find out its shortcut method, that is very simple. To find out the annual income of A. So to find out the shortcut method, from the annual income of A, we minus its expenditure. So let's suppose that 5x. So 5x of the A. So this is the income of the person A, and this is its expenditure. So from its income minus, if we minus its expenditure, that is 4x, it becomes, and the total savings becomes 500. So it becomes x is equal to 500. So we have got the answer here, 500. And to find out its annual income, we multiply it by its income of the first person. So 5 multiplied by x is equal to 5, and we are having the value of x, that is 500, and it becomes 2500. So we have got the same answer both sides. So it is the annual income of A. So this is the shortcut method. If someone wants to solve the question in a very quick method, so this is the best method. So in the question we have further been asked, you can look at the question, that to also find out the annual income of B. So now we will find the annual income of B. Annual income of B. So we will find it in the same method. But for the another person, let's suppose the other person is B, we are having the formula which we have already discussed above, that is B multiplied by its saving, bracket D minus C upon AD minus BC. So we put the formula here, that is B multiplied by S, bracket D minus C upon AD minus BC. So hope you have understood. So putting the values of A, B, C and D, we get here, that is 4 multiplied by 500, 3 minus 4 upon 5 multiplied by 3 minus 4 multiplied by 4. So we have just put the values of A, B, D and C, and then we get the answer here. Let's solve it out. So what we get here, let's try here. So 4 multiplied by 500, we get 2000 minus 1 upon 15 minus 16. So minus 2000 upon minus 1, minus minus cancel. Here we get 2000. So this is the income. So when we have solved out, we got the answer 2000. So this is the 2000 is the income of B. So this is the B's income. So for this, if we want to find its shortcut, so we are also having its shortcut. If someone want to find out in the most quick method, so this method is the best. Now for the annual income, for its shortcut, we take from the person B. So this is the income 4 and that is the expenditure. So here 4x minus 3x is equal to 5000 and this 5000 is the saving. So how we have got from the annual income of B, we have minus its expenditure. So this is the expenditure of the person B is equal to its saving. So here we get the answer x is equal to 500. So x is 500. Now from the annual income, this is the annual income, the total income that he earns, that is 4x. So 4 multiplied by 500, here we get the answer 2000. And from you can see both sides, here we have also got 2000 and this is also 2000. So this is the answer. So hope you have understood the question. If you liked it, so please share it as well and comments below. So thank you very much. Hope we will meet in the next question. Thank you.